What up, guys? So we're out here in Mexico today, and there's some drag races going on. I was invited out here by the Busa Killer, and there's a lot of them. Some of the guys came from Georgia, Jacksonville, all over the state. They came from out of state. There's some money races going on, pretty cool. And I'm just gonna let you guys watch this, enjoy. If you guys like, comment, share, do all the good stuff down below. Make sure you like the channel, subscribe, please guys, so I can make more of these videos. If you guys want me to come out and film any of your events, go ahead, just send me a comment, send me an email, whatever you want to do. It all works the same way. I'll come out, film some stuff, get you guys some attention, and yeah, let's watch some races. Come on guys, this is fun.